Kani gadega pati CCTV, bat pidang pek yaki kubor baman kasni.
Henen kencan miet kan riu trek uyayong ka kunhun menteri jong Sorkar senrap lang Meghalaya Democratic Alliance kala syong jing lang bani merging mod halor ki katu kat ni telikimat ki bakham kerkie ki badan na pedeng jongki ki dei ki jingpan jingbet jong kitnat per banwan ra ka jingpin kala ka rukam trek kam jongki kat bagi dan pat kimat ki bak Sorkar ka dan kam men chimrai kerkie khnang ba anyo banra yaki hakador bar mang tengka Henen kencan miet ka kunhun menteri kalaya tai halor ki sport likimat Henry ki bakham kong san na kini baro ki kentop ya ka jingthong no ya advocate general jong ka Jylla ka balasa thali mentala bun banai ka kunhun menteri hakani ka jingelang kala Mynjur banthong no ya advocate general jong ka Jylla do muktiar ubala syampang ba ki kamesaj Supreme Court Amit Kumar ubalong ru udkhot jong ka Shillong Bar Association.
First agenda that the cabinet discussed today was regarding the appointment of the Advocate General for the state of Meghalaya, and after due deliberation and discussion, it was decided that Shri Amit Kumar, a senior advocate from the Supreme Court, and who is also the advocate on record, having a very good track record and a lot of experience. His name was proposed and it was accepted and approved by the cabinet today.
Kawai pat kamat ka baka kunhun menteri kala Mynjur kadai halor ka jing senyang jong Sorkar ya ka bai bam temen ya kinoh kai ba kinong trei haki deficit college ni ki teaching but non teaching staff ha ka baka kunhun menteri kala rai ban ajing ram ha ka ban kin show bai bam temen ya ki kaban long pra persen kat baki noi kai bat kinong trei jong ki college pat kin senyang daladi 100% man la ubnai bat tap ha ka provident fund bat kin sala pat pensai anda kila syong thaj naka kam naka binta kani ka Sorkar Jylla kan ha ban buria naka pla tingka jong ka sau pholak tingka man la ka snem.
Today the cabinet has discussed in detail about this issue and we would also like to help them out by allowing them to enjoy the pension. Okay, to enjoy the pension, we call it contribution pension scheme. Since the deficit teachers are not entitled for pension, they are not entitled for pension. So ultimately the cabinet approved the proposal from the department, and we take also a decision that this decision will take effective from the day the notification comes out. From the day the notification comes out, it take effective.
Ka kunhun menteri hakani ka singi kala Mynjur ru banthong noi kai shu Shillong Polytechnic ba kentop iki arngot ha ka jingpuli engineer but way nak benta ka subject computer science.
And that in fact that amendment was only a printing mistake, when in fact it should have been subsection, but due to typing mistake they made it subjection. Okay, so we have to amend that, and then this will be again taken into the assembly.
Sakawai pat kamat ka bakham kong san ka dairu halor ka bha thungkam ha ka tnat pulit ha ka baka kunhun menteri kala syem ya karai ban bha kerpang no na ka bentai kin thai 10% ha ka on arm branch inspector but sub inspector kat baya kishen rang pat la bha 10% ye ki jai penriu khasi jaintia 10% ye ki jai penriu garu but 8% na ka benta ki wei pat ki jai penriu.
As we all know that there is a big concern regarding the rising crimes against women and children, and keeping that in view, we have discussed this in the cabinet at length, and this proposal for amendment of section 29 to provide for 10% reservation has been approved by the cabinet. So 10% reservation will be within the bracket of 40, 40 and 585. For the purpose of filling up vacancies. Reservation, the 10% of existing vacancies in recruitments for sub-inspectors and constables shall be earmarked for women candidates. And out of these 10% earmarked for women, as in clause A above, 40% will be for Khasi and Jaintia, 40% will be for Garo, and 5% for other tribes, and 15% for others.